Hello, followers. Hello, friends.
Hello followers, hello friends.
I'm Dr. Elena Barinova.
I'm Dr. Victor Gabriel Klatic.
Today we have a very essential topic about anti-aging program
Why it's essential, Dr. Barinova?
because we need to know when to start, when to finish.
We must start yesterday and never finish. This is the first. And the second, we will discuss about what we have to do every day. Because the success is not overnight. We need to do something small every day.
So we want to prevent and we want to discuss how to prevent.
First step, it is to prevent. Second step is to treat. And third step, it is to maintain what we have. And we will talk immediately after.
So let's discuss anti-aging program, the basics, and I will be not like a doctor, I will be like a woman.
And like a mother.
Yes, of course, because I have a son, 18, and I want to know how he can prevent something bad for his skin.
Of course, but I think in your practice, this is the most usual question. When we start to age. And in my opinion, we start to age from the moment when we was born. And now we are the youngest of our life.
Yes, and a lot of mothers ask me, my patients, who is mothers, ask me when to bring the children to you.
And now we'll have not only an opinion, we'll have an article who was published a few years ago about this. Look at the title. When is too early? Too early to start cosmetic procedure. And this was published in 2013 in November. And we could find this on PubMed. So practically, in my opinion, it's never too early to start something to do for our health and our beauty. And to answer your question about your son, I could say at 18 years old must start with sun protection. And for the mothers and your patients who come to you and ask, we will discuss now a checklist, if you agree with this.
Yes, I want to know.
So we need to have a checklist. But every checklist must start from the formula
This is mathematic formula.
and physics
Yes,
and
both.
life formula. It is a combination of formula. And by the way, this formula, the 7S of skin, it's a trademark of Victor Gabriel Klatic. You could check. It is my trademark. And this formula have the most 7 important factors what we need to think when we start an anti-aging program. The first is the sun.
We need to think about the sun when we are young.
Yes, because the most, how to say, the most frequent manifestation about negative effects of sun starting in childhood. Because in childhood you go to the sun and becoming sunburns. In the childhood we stay too much on the sun. And this could be a problem in the future.
Nobody care about it because the body looking
Good,
so good.
yes. But our job, our duty, like a doctors, it is to explain to our patient about the dangers. And I will say you a little story. When my son, Victor Emmanuel, had 3 years, before we going to the park to walk, he said, "Crema, crema." He want cream to put sunscreen and like it to put sunscreen.
Very wise.
Yes, of course. The next S, sugar.
Sugar. Oh, we like ice cream. We like
Chocolate,
different chocolate.
fruits,
Of course,
and sweets.
cakes.
But the first age, what is we have glycated collagen is 20 years old.
20 years
20
old.
years, yes, it is science.
How we can measure this?
We can measure this using our forehand. It is a special device using autofluorescence, and we find the level of glycated collagen in our body. And it's very important about this because collagen is the most important protein in our body and have not only structural function but have also, how to say, function in communication, intercellular, in migration and differentiation. So we must protect our collagen.
Doctor, even we talk about the face, we can talk about the body too. And I know a lot of young patients who have a cellulite.
Yes, yes, yes,
And
yes.
this connect
It's connected
with
with sugar.
sugar.
Yes, it's one of the culprits, one of the, how to say, the guilty persons about cellulite is sugar. And now we'll discuss about another. Smoking.
Smoking, especially young people like to smoke because want to impress another part.
Another, yes, but smoking, it is, how to say, a big, big, big enemy of our health and beauty. And I could say to you from the history, like salt and pepper for our friends, the first mention was in Lancet in the middle of 19th century about the negative effects of smoking on our face.
But I can say about my patient, the patient smoke or not.
Yes, you could look at the face and you could say if the patient smoke or not. Because after 5 years of smoking, it is big difference between the face of the person who didn't smoke and the face of the person.
Yes, of course.
You need only to look to the clue, to the small details.
This is a color of skin, this is everything,
Dry,
this is the pores.
Yes, a lot. What about skincare? You know what is the best anti-wrinkle cream?
What is this?
The best anti-wrinkle cream is the sunscreen cream. Yes, it's the best. But also, we have 4 important processes. We have cleansing, we have moisturizing, we have regeneration, and we have protection.
And I have a questions. How often we need to use sunscreen cream?
Sunscreen we must use with 15 to 30 minutes before we go into the sun, and to reapply every 2 hours. And another important question about skincare, it is how to choose the products. We don't have the best product for everybody. We have the best product for the oily skin, we have the best product for the dry skin, we have the best product for the normal skin. So we must choose our skincare products according with our specific problems of our skin.
When I was very young, I bought everything what I wanted in pharmacy and use it, but I had bad experience.
Of course,
How to choose?
how to choose? Going to your doctor is the best because what is the best for your best friend is possible to you to induce very bad experience.
Yes, of course, and don't ask the friends what to choose.
Use not. This is okay. You could ask the friends what shoes to choose. You could ask the friends what bags to choose. You could ask the friends what makeup to choose. But about products for you, what means be personally, what means be to be only for you, you cannot ask.
So ask the doctor.
Always. Stress make you older. Trust me.
Yes, this is true. In every steps of life, we have stresses.
Yes, and higher the stress, higher the older. We need beauty sleep.
Totally agree. Totally agree. We need to go to sleep in the same time.
Yes.
We need to wake up in the same time.
And
This is very important for the
And
beauty.
if we cannot have sleep, don't go to check your Facebook account. Don't go to check your Instagram account. Because you must be sure that will be not sleep. And the last S, it is S from second. And these have 2 meanings. The first, we become older every second and we must accept this. And 2, we must understand that even the best treatment need times to act. We need times a lot of times. Now it is our weapons. What do you think about this short, again, formula?
I think about this formula that every person needs personal treatment.
Yes, not only personally, this holistic and integrative. If you stay in the sun from the morning to the evening, your job means this, I will give you a specific skincare.
This is possible.
Yes, it's possible. To have cream against pollution, to have special cleansing, to have special sunscreen. If you, you travel a lot, I will give you a special combination for you to protect your skin in the aircraft, because in the aircraft your skin become dry.
Yes, agree.
And we need, specific supplements. Maybe you need resveratrol. Another person maybe need vitamin C. Maybe another person need activator of collagen synthesis. We don't have, the best formula.
So this is depend on
Age,
depend
on skin
lifestyle.
type, lifestyle, skin type. You have white skin, blue eyes, your skin doesn't know how to protect very good against sun. You need strong sunscreen. But for me, I know I'm a little bit much darker and I need sunscreen too. But what is very important, our process must be this, sequential and continuous. We must start yesterday and continue all the day. Because you go to the hair salon to cut your hair every month, to color your hair every month. You go to the nail master to arrange your nail every 2 or 3 weeks. In the same way, our patients must come to us every month, every 2 or 3 months in order to perform what they need. Dear friends, we have some conclusions. What is your opinion?
The first conclusion, check your skincare products and accessories now.
It's very important because we must understand we cannot use oldest products. The second conclusion, it is check your lifestyle now. Check how much times you spend in sun. Check your sunscreen. Check how much sugar you eat every day. Don't forget about hidden sugar. And of course, sleep as much as possible.
And the third conclusion, go to your doctor now. Don't waste the time.
Yes, because every second what we waste, it is a lost second. Thank you very much. See you soon.
Thank you.